lions and apes and bears, you probably won't make it there. One of the options they say they will smoke with me, you don't want to take it.
Oh, you can.
Free the slime.
Hey.
I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside the ghost and hop up in the fan, I know I'm about to blow, whoa, whoa, I ain't done. They try to take my flow, I take the out the ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks, 3 to a dancer. I see 2 twin ops, leave it.
Hey, back up. Hey, do a kid, Misky. Yeah. Come on, she no ski.
Crazy, right? I'm telling Cliff.
Y'all make your own show, bro.
I'm telling Cliff, we can do whatever we can do whatever we want.
Put that shit on.
Y'all niggas need to make it.
Put that shit on.
We can do whatever we want.
And just fucking collaborate, my nigga. Oh yeah, little Spiegels.
Taking the fucking toast, baby. Bow, 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 man. You ain't know the vibes, baby.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber. You on your YouTube? You guys want a shot? Perfect.
Because I went to a college, but that's cat because I served the whole college.
I want to come here.
I'm sorry, I just be vlogging. I record everything. That's fine? All right, Coco, go ahead. Do your thing, do your thing. Hey, hey.
Fucks with it. Chinks everybody. Yo, Millie.
Snapping, ooh, get your rest nest with a dab of wrench. Get your rest nest with a dab of wrench.
Hey.
Free the slime.
Look at this Cliff. Look.
Cause he doing a little Hey. Oh shit.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you gotta be quick. Get the fuck out of here. You get the fuck out of here. Yeah. You want to though? I don't got no one to.
Hey.
What the concert?
Yeah. Yeah. Like bring it. It's the blood pressure. Bring it down, bro.
It's the blood pressure.
Yo, I'm gonna kill him. Yo, back up.
Hold on, son. What you gotta say for my son real quick, bro?
He know I'm blazing, so I do this every day.
Check it out. I don't do this every day.
I'm trying to train him.
This is boring. This is boring. When I punch him in the face, I'll.
Hold on, weed. Yo, this jokes right now, gay. Hey, yo, this is jokes right now. That's what we got the gloves for. Nigga, friendly sparring. Yo, oh shit. Hold on, weed.
Okay, you got it.
Oh shit, oh.
Come on.
Yo, this is jokes. Oh shit. Oh.
I hope the look up.
Oh, we. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go. Here we go.
5 and weed.
Oh shit. Here we go. Oh, weed. Hold on. Hello. Yeah, I'm dead, son. Oh shit.
Watch this.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Come here.
He said, "Come here." He said, "Come here."
Yeah.
We okay. Oh shit.
I like you.
Oh, weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm crying right now, son.
Nah, I'm cash.
Oh shit! Oh shit! He tagged him. What's all about? He tagged him.
Car coming. Car coming.
Watch out! Come on! Move, nigga!
Yo!
Move, nigga!
I got him.
My contact got going.
I'm dead, nigga. Weave. Okay. Weave. Yeah.
The good content.
Right?
Oh shit. Yo, this is jokes. Oh shit. Weave. Woo!
Thank you.
Woo! Oh shit! Oh, okay.
Come on, let's go. Come on, big dog. Come on.
This big content, you heard?
Yeah, I'm
We
dead.
outside.
Oh, yo, break it up, break it up. Yo, break that shit up, son.
Yeah. Big ass nigga, right? Big ass nigga, right? Come on. Come always. Come on. Are you ready?
Oh shit, here we go. Down to the wire.
Nah, facts.
Down to the wire. Niggas getting tired now.
It's that Laker talk.
Oh, you get. Oh, nigga knocked this. Oh, what's the knock this? Oh shit. What's the knock this man dead off?
You gotta be. That's crazy. Yeah, you gotta be. Let's get it again. Let's get it out.
Hey.
Fuck it out.
Oh, what's the knock this? Oh shit. What's the knock this man dead off? Oh shit.
Get my bandana. Get my bandana. Bitch ass nigga. I want you to.
I'm crying. The nigga should take my bandana off.
I can't breathe.
Oh, weave. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, all right. All right, game over. The fight's over. Fight's over, man. Fight's over, man. Y'all gonna do this all night.